Hello guys, today we will see how we can run a Python script on Android, and we're gonna start with our first component, which is CubePython. Alright, so let's start with installing CubePython and getting a little bit familiar with its interface. So currently I'm in the Play Store and I will do a search for CubePython. Okay, so it's the first one, and I'm gonna click on install and accept the permissions. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the recording till the installation is done. Okay, so once the installation gets completed, I will scroll the screen to the left here. Okay, and this is the main interface for CubePython. So we have on the top, we got the console. Now the console mode is equivalent and exact similar to the interactive mode in Python. So once we jump in, we can right now import some built-in libraries in Python, like import OS. So I will do import OS. Let's try, for instance, also the print command. So I'm gonna do print hello world. Okay, so I will click on the back button so we can get back to the main menu. And no, I don't want to keep the console running in the background. Okay, so the second item in our menu is called programs. Now programs is similar to the script mode in Python, where you can write the code in a file, then you can run the file in the interpreter. So these are the default scripts that came with CubePython. If you notice on the top, you can see the directory on the memory where these scripts live, which is storage / emulated / 0, etc. The third important item in our menu is called libraries. CubePython is shipped with pre-installed libraries such as Kivy, as well as the built-in Python libraries like OS and sys. But definitely in the future we would need more third libraries to use. And we can download them in 3 ways and install them in CubePython. The first and the easiest way to install third-party library in CubePython is via using the ready-to-use libraries under packages. So here we got a packages list like player, and all what we have to do is to click on the library or the package name to install it. The second way to install third-party Python libraries is via pip command. Unfortunately, this way may not work all the time, or in fact we can say it barely works. So, up to this course or the entire course, we are not going to use this method at all. Okay, so the third way is to do or to install the third-party library manually, and we can do so by navigating to the site packages directory and then copy and paste the pure Python libraries in that directory. And to do so, we need to go first to device storage, then go to com.hippal.qpy+, then go to lib, then Python 2.7, then site packages. So here you need to paste the third-party library that you want to install. And by the way, in the module number 3, we're gonna use this method to install some third-party libraries into Q and integrate it into CubePython. Okay, so let's go back to the console mode, and I will try to import player just to make sure that this one is not currently installed. Okay, and fair enough, it says no module named player, so let's go ahead and install this one. So let's go out from the console and go to libraries, then install. Okay, so here's the packages list, and as I said, all what I have to do is to click on P layer, and it's saying downloading, unpacking P layer. So to save some time, I'm gonna pause the recording till the module is fully installed. Okay, and fair enough, we got the P layer successfully installed, as we can see here. So right now, if I press on enter and go back to the console, we should be able to import the P layer library. So let's do that, and I will type import P layer, and as we can see, we can right now import it without any error or exceptions. Alright, so we have seen the interactive or the console mode. Now let's try the script mode. I usually prefer to write the code on the Buildozer virtual machine, then transfer it to the scripts directory on Android, then run it via CubePython. And I like doing so because writing the code in CubePython using Android keyboard is pretty annoying. Okay, for instance, I created a simple script on the Kali desktop named getcwd, which stands for get current working directory. The script is very simple. It will import the OS library, and then we're gonna print the current working directory. Now let's quickly run this script on the Kali machine. I will do run module, and fair enough, we got the desktop path. So what I will do right now, I will transfer this script to the CubePython scripts directory. So this is the complete path here. I just need to show you the complete path. It's com.hippal.qpy+, then expand the script. So this is the the scripts directory. Okay, let me click on this one, and this is our getcwd.py, and we got one succeeded, so we should be able to see our script right now on the programs. So let me expand the screen here. Okay, so I moved back, then moved again to programs, and fair enough, we got our getcwd.py script over here. Okay, let me just click on open. So this is our 2 lines, and finally we need to run the script. And fair enough, we can see here we got the top of the directory tree, which is the / directory. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.